You can create charts directly in Baserow using the dashboard functionality, but you can also add charts to your application with the Chart.js library. Before you begin, check the Getting Started documentation on the Chart.js website. The configuration varies a little depending on the chart type, but in general, you always need two things. You need a set of labels, and you need one or more datasets where each dataset has its own label and a number of data points. Let's implement this in our application. I already have a data source with information about strategic objectives and the budget allocated to each of them. I want to display this in a polar area chart. The data is currently shown in the table element, which will serve as the source of my chart. Here's the process. First of all, I need to reference the external library from Chart.js, which is down here at the bottom. Next, I select the data of my table element, which is stored in the tbody tag, and I get all the data from my labels. The labels are my first column, so I select nchild1, and the budget is in the fourth column, so I select nchild4. Once I have selected these elements, actually what I did here is copy-pasting the information from the Chart.js website to have a simple sample. So I create a canvas element, I append it to my container, and I draw my polar area chart using the labels array and the budgets array that I have selected from my table element. Finally, I set the width to 960 pixels and I can have a look at the result. And here we go. I have a nice polar area chart showing the data from my table.